Alright guys, we are officially back, heading into the new year, 2013, and wishing everyone a happy new year. Now we have the breaking news about Kim Kardashian being pregnant, but we have even more breaking news about the fiscal cliff we fell off of thanks to President Obama during the new year. Another reason to ring in 2013. Now we go to the more important issues. During when they were all focused on the fiscal cliff, they passed the FISA bill known as the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Act, which basically gives the government the right to search your belongings, your house, your information without a warrant. So thankful to the loving government that we have so they could search our stuff, because under the guise of fighting terrorism, anything is now possible, and war is now peace, and freedom is slavery. They also reinstated the 2013 version of the NDAA, the $600 billion Pentagon bill for more perpetual warfare overseas and more empire building. And President Obama even came out with a statement saying, I'm not going to use these powers. It's the same exact thing he pulled last year during New Year's Eve when he said, I'm not going to use any of these powers, and then use the bait and switch. It never gets old either when Romney said he would sign the bill as well. So it shows how much the election really was a fraud, and how people buy into that false left-right paradigm and get all paranoid about Obama, but they don't look to what George Bush did with his same bills, and then he just carries them on and does them even worse with drone strikes and secret kill lists. Mike from We Are Change Milwaukee doing a new live show, putting out different videos. I'd like to thank him for his great work. You can check out his YouTube channel, youtube.com/BigPZone. We Are Change Milwaukee. Like them on Facebook, check out all their great videos and support their great work. I'm Jeff Durkin, and this has been your We Are Change Connecticut weekly wrap-up. This week, We Are Change Connecticut released our Best of 2012 video. We also released 3 interviews from the Occupy Stand and Relief concert at the Brooklyn Bowl with Hassan Salam, Music Is My Weapon, Constant Flow talking about gun control, and Nakir talking about uniting people with different backgrounds. We also released 2 satire videos, one on consumerism at the M&M store in Times Square, and released How to Act Like an Idiot, a satire version with Jenny McCarthy rehearsing for New Year's Rockin' Eve on television. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with all the latest videos from We Are Change Connecticut. But you don't have to knock people eating goldfish, for that matter, making a certain stereotype about people that smoke marijuana or have goldfish. You know, you're knocking people like me that's saying we're, you know, I still have goldfish no matter what, so, you know, I'm still gonna eat my goldfish. I'm still breaking them out. Defense spending? Maybe? I don't know. Maybe we could cut that instead of dealing with all this petty budget stuff.